Very slow motion bow tutorial per request. This is a super easy bow you can do for fall, Halloween, and Christmas. Lorie is using our 4" Harlequin ribbon to start. Then layering with our 2.5 Ghost ribbon in purple. This also comes in orange and pink. Layering on top of that our 1.5 hot pink Faux Dupioni ribbon. Lastly, adding a 1.5 multicolor Halloween icons ribbon. Then secure it with a zip tie and you have a big, beautiful bow great for outdoor lights, lanterns, wreaths, and more.